So I'm going to the kitchen of the chef of the place, Daran, and he will cook a red snapper. He will cook a red snapper, and I will film it. I will try to film it. It will be fucking amazing. Olive oil, soy, yeah.
Yeah.
What's that?
White wine.
Ah, white wine. Okay.
Yeah. We have to cover with plastic because many
Bugs.
fry.
Ah, yeah.
Little pepper. Yeah.
Very good.
Garlic and pepper, olive oil, and white wine, and black pepper.
And that's the red snapper, yeah?
ข้อผักชีลาวได้ไหมจ๊ะไม่ใช่
ได้เลย
ยังไม่ได้พูด Before I put herb inside.
Ah, inside you feel like a
Lemongrass, galanga. Yeah, inside to make smell. Butter. Olive.
And the fish, did you catch it?
No, go to
You
bar.
bought it?
Yeah. Today, no time to go.
No time to catch.
Yeah.
But day before you catch, no?
Yeah,
when
yeah,
we eat
yesterday,
the
yeah.
curry, you catch it.
Yes.
Yeah.
You gotta have time to do it. And today, no time, and also raining come too.
Yeah.
And we have one person, three people sitting here. If we have time, sure, today we have fit. But I think tonight I do. Later.
Very good.
Oh, blue
And how long you put it in the oven?
Huh? No, charcoal grill.
Ah, grill. Ah,
Yeah,
grill.
not oven.
How long?
Around 12 or 15
Minutes.
to 20.
Uh-huh.
Because I have to looking for the charcoal. We have to put more charcoal. But not much. Okay. Then I have so many different charcoal.
For different smell and taste.
Yeah. But this one is
Different wood.
Yeah. This now we can starting from from like this, and then waiting for 15 minutes or 20.
Uh-huh. Very fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, very fast. Very
But
fast.
now it's not
Yeah,
too
not hot. Not hot. Yeah.
So that's why we keep a little time. เวลามึงไม่มีอะไรที่เรา Keep waiting for my food. เดี๋ยวแป๊บนึง Okay. Then I make
And what's this?
baked potato.
Ah, that's potato.
We do in the same time and then later very soft.
Yeah.
Yeah, I make food for my dog.
Oh, that's for the dog, yeah?
Yes. Not for the people. You waiting. There, wait. Longer.
Very good.
The fried chicken with rice. Little bit. Ma, I make starter for you first. To wait barbecue. I'll kill me. Kill. รู้ว่าเอานี่ว่ากับออเดอร์แล้วมีแล้วโอเคเรียบร้อยเดี๋ยวซ้อนไปก่อน And I put oil a little bit. You know why? When I fry if we don't put oil in, they come in together again. If we put oil, then they
it goes
can
separate.
Separate. Yes. Like a cake, like a chim cake.
Yeah.
Like a pit cake or shrimp cake.
Yeah.
Serve.
Beautiful.
No.
So. So, this is a starter. While Ran is cooking the fish, he's grilling there with the potato. We're gonna start this. No. It cooks so good. It's amazing. Red snapper barbecued. Can't wait.